Friends, welcome you back again our another video. Friends, today we will discuss here two topics about airdrop announcement and another one how to you will add your MetaMask wallet on core Mainnet. First, I think you have everyone read this already. Airdrop announcement. Information the core airdrop in the post like the 3D blockchain airdrop incoming and mainnet is live app all been referring to the same airdrop event. This post synthesized that information is in addition to providing further details. Distribution amount per the initial distribution amount or core token user of the core network will receive 525600000 core through the airdrop, which contains 25.029% of the total hard cap core token supply. Distribution recipients. The recipient of the airdrop are qualified users of Satoshi app who have mined in the app rewards, formerly known the BTCS as BTCS. This qualified Satoshi app user will receive core as one of the benefit for their in-app mining performance. Core unlock. An example, as explained in Mainnet is live, 25% of the number of core token to be airdropped will be made available to users at the genesis of the airdrop, will the remaining 75% set to be unlocked monthly over a 2 years period. So how much we have earned already? Our coin 25% we can stacking, delegate, withdraw, what you want we can do, and 75% locked coin it will be available till 2 years monthly. So I will request you all hold your coin. This will be good for you for your future. And 1 minute, sir. The 2-year period begins when the first 25% of token are airdrop unlocked, supporting network functions such as sending, receiving, or interacting with smart contract. For activities like stacking will not be available with the locked core token. When 75% locked your coin, you cannot delegate or stacking. Only 25% coin you can delegate and stacking, and minimum 1 coin need to stacking your coin. To align contributor and user interests, the contributors token will also vest. The contributors token will vest over a 4-year period, monthly with a 1-year lockup. Also note that early value and stacking reward earned by the DAO are not be burned to be burned at a later date. This meaning I actually not understand yet perfectly, so please wait. When we will meet official announcement we will know. You can see distribution effective. The airdrop will be executed by decentralized smart contracts that are enforced by code alone. In design and auditing these smart contracts, the priority is user safety, views is decentralized and comprehensive security check. Therefore, auditing the security of the code warrants an uncompromising level of careful consideration by many of the most streamed folks in the blockchain world. In prioritizing security and decentralized overspeed, the airdrop may take up to 60 days to begin. Next step, user of the Satoshi app who qualify the airdrop will receive instructional information inside the app. In order to receive the airdrop core, they will bind their public key address to their Satoshi app account. When use data is written into the airdrop smart contract, a small amount of core will be sent to user for covering gas fees in subsequent claims. More details will be provided in Satoshi app. We will learn it later. Disclaimer. 1 minute. It was end. And now I am going to show you how you can add your wallet, MetaMask wallet, core mainnet. 1 minute. how to add core mainnet to MetaMask. You can see here. Open this link. 1 minute. Add core to MetaMask. With Mainnet Live, the following is an easy to follow guide on how to add the new core network to your MetaMask wallet. Before you will find guides for the browser extension as well as mobile. Please make sure to follow the step with care and put in the right details the network. Adding the new network on your browser extension, click on the network selector but turn the downward facing arrow next to the current network. This will display list of network to which you are already connected. Click add network at the bottom to the network list. A new browser tab will open displaying various fields to fill in the forms. You can add this manually if you want, otherwise we can add automatically. Just what you have to do, you have to copy this link and select your browser MetaMask, and if you not create your testnet wallet, MetaMask wallet, then please check our old video, there you will get. Otherwise you can find on YouTube, there have a lot of video how to create MetaMask wallet. Open this link on your MetaMask. 1 minute. You can see here the another one of browser already opening. After open this website, what you have to do, you have to go video section and you can see here powered by Corescan is a blog explorer analysis platform for corechain. You have to click add core network, click on there and you have to do approved here. You can see here new network added, core is now available, new network selector, switch network, success. How do you will check, just go the 3-line section, you can see here, then go to wallet section and you will see here, you can see here currently you can see the above section, there are wallet core. One minute. You can change here your wallet one by one. You can see here Satoshi chain testing, core chain testing, the last one core. I have already added this. You have to do currently this right now, and the rest the other process we will upload our channel. Please keep patient and don't be hurry and don't do anything wrong, my friends. There are a lot of things, and please don't forget to join our Telegram channel. We are updating there everything. Also don't forget like, subscribe our channel for more updates about crypto. Thank you friend. If you have anything question, you can comment on our Telegram channel. Thank you friend. Have a great day.